It's almost 1 month into the Easter school term, and the resumption of face-to-face classes appears to be lagging behind expectations. Education Minister Favour Williams provided an update today. The critical learning loss after 2 years of attempts at online school due to COVID-19 forced the government to resume face-to-face school this year. Education Minister Favour Williams revealed that while some schools are making the transition, overall, the numbers are not good.
The percentage, though, in terms of the percentage of students who are taking advantage of face-to-face is not at the level that I would like to see it. But we understand we're living through COVID, and we understand that there are some parents who are still not comfortable just yet.
The Omicron variant of the virus triggered a fourth wave of new COVID-19 cases, reaching a positivity rate high of over 68% and almost 2,000 new cases in a single day. Minister Williams says teachers and students have not been spared.
The worst we have seen so far is that there was one class, one grade that had to go online for about 2 weeks. But in general, we find that our principals and our teachers on the ground, they are managing the situation, actively managing, and the numbers that we're getting, the reports that we're getting in our school is not alarming.
While the vaccination level among students is no longer a requirement for students to return to the classroom, it's understood that vaccination among high school students is increasing.
When we ended December of last year, it was about 31% of the students. Last I looked, which was about a week or so ago, we're kind of at 36, 37%. So we're seeing children still taking up the vaccines, the children in our high schools.
That 36% vaccination among students is higher than the national average. The Education Minister says vaccination blitz at schools will continue in an effort to get more students, teachers, and parents vaccinated against COVID-19 and more students back into the classroom.